So, how about that deal?
You can really do that?
Of course! Monsters can do anything.
You promise?
I promise. Pinky finger swear?
Hey!
Are you okay?
Nighlok, what kind of mischief are you up to with this kid?
Nothing. We're friends, right?
You're lying! Back off!
Run away as fast as you can.
Stay out of my business!
Oh, yeah!
Come on! Yeah!
Hey, didn't I just warn you to mind your business? Fighting you Rangers is like a walk in the park for me. Your turn, girls. As you can see, I play well with others. The fun has just begun.
I think he's planning something real bad.
I'm worried about that kid. We need to find him.
Right, let's split up and look for him.
Right!
Rangers together! Samurai forever! I think you two deserve to have a blast! Now that you're in my part of the woods, your end is near. Tiger Tidal Wave! See? I'm all kinds of trouble for you Rangers.
He's right! Now what?
Where did you three?
We raced here when the gap sensor sounded.
Thanks. You were just in the nick of time.
Moogers! Come out wherever you are!
Fire Smasher! It's fall season for you Moogers! And thanks to my Fire Smasher, all of you will be taking the fall! Force Spear!
Moogers to the left of me, and Moogers to the right. But when I get done with them, they all say goodnight.
Yeah! Yeah! Earth Splicer! Some for you, and you, and some for you! Don't worry, I didn't forget you guys!
Hey, you're giving my Moogers the blues, and the pinks, I guess.
Hydro Ball!
Sky Fan!
Super Tsunami!
The tide has turned, Nighlok!
Double Tone's been double teamed! No fair!
That's what you get for making Ryan so
Now I'm gonna make you all sad!
Mia, let's get him!
I'm ready!
Dragon Zord!
Turtle Zord!
Dragon Folding Zord!
Turtle Folding Zord! Mega Volt Power!
This blast will be your last!
Let's heat things up for this Creepazoid! Ha! Ha!
Yuck! Dragon Breath!
See, Nighlok? Lying hurts! Huh.
Let's team up!
Hey, what are you two trying to...
That's for tricking Ryan.
You won't be doing that to anyone else! Come on,
Let's go.
Lion Folding Zord!
Bear Folding Zord.
Eat Folding Zord! Mega Volt Power!
Let's take care of business! Zords combine! Igniting!
Megazord Schmegazord! I'm gonna rip you apart piece by piece! Let's lose your sword first! That's better!
Hey! What now?
Jaden, I've got an idea. Then go for it. All right! Dragon Leap!
Whoa! What's up?
Aerial Turtle Strike!
This isn't right! Oh, but that was a heck of a right!
Now, where were we? Katana Power! Samurai Strike!
Is it too late to cut a deal?